Hey babes, hey, so your girl is back as promised, and I am here to tell y'all about the Croc class. Yay! So it is finally about to be released. I don't have the specific dates. I am just here to give you details about the Croc class and what is going to be going down so y'all can have something to look forward to. The dates will be dropping within the next week or so. So please watch this video into the entirety so you do not have to ask me too many questions. Okay? Period. Okay? So if you don't know who I am Lucky Lavette from Goluckycharmz. You can call me Lucky or Lavette, your choice, okay? But I am the owner of Goluckycharmz, an online U.S. wholesale where I resell to my babes who create Crocs, bracelets, bangles, anything that you probably need, charms or patches or, you know, anything like that. I'm your girl, okay? I'm your go-to. Don't forget it. Mark it down. Take a picture. I'm your girl. So anyways, I'm just going to get right into it because y'all know I like to talk and my videos do be long. So first and foremost, the Croc class is coming very soon. I'm just trying to think of dates. So y'all can kind of also let me know. I might do some story polls. I'm not sure how I want to do it yet. But y'all can kind of let me know if a weeknight or weekend would be good for y'all. I know Saturdays are not good for me at all. But Sunday evenings are pretty good. I can do a Croc class on a Sunday evening or a Monday night. So right now I'm thinking either a Sunday or a Monday night, maybe around 6. Between 6 and 8 maybe. Y'all can kind of let me know what y'all thinking, what dates would be good. I feel like Fridays and Saturdays are really not good for a lot of us, so I'm thinking maybe a Sunday and a Monday night. I only need one class date, so the majority will rule. So kind of let me know in the comments what y'all thinking about class being a Sunday or Monday night, okay? Once I get the feedback from y'all, then it'll be a lot easier for me to put together the dates. That's really mainly what I'm waiting on, plus a few more things I ordered for the kids, but I know for sure the class is coming in April. We know that for sure, okay? Croc class coming. Tell everybody. Your mama, daughter, sister, brother, cousin, uncle, niece, nephew, okay? Miss Mary Mac. I don't care. Tell them all. Croc class coming soon. If you want to learn Crocs and you want to learn for someone who is very experienced and who have given y'all all type of tea anyway, who's the best to learn from? Somebody who already share free game with y'all, and I have all the supplies you need. So let's get into it. So it will only be 40 spots available. Yes, 40 spots available. I will have an admin who's on there with me who will be helping answer questions or kind of getting my attention for certain things I'm not able to see because it is a Zoom class. Please be mindful, I never did a class before. I'm very educational. I'm very smart. I know how to get y'all the information. But one of my babes, she actually volunteered to kind of help me where maybe I may be missing something. You know how I go. Anyway, she volunteered and I took her up on our offer. So let's just see how this thing go. I'm super excited either way because we're doing our first Croc class. It's the first class. I'm not looking for perfection, but by the end of it, you're going to know what you're doing. Okay, period, sis. Or you're going to have time to practice. So the class will be a live Zoom. So we will be on Zoom. Like I'm talking to you, you talk to me. You've been able to ask me questions. I'm being able to answer right then and there. You don't have to wait for a response in a DM or under a YouTube video. Another great thing and benefit of the class would be you'll be able to show me your work as you're doing it. So I'll be able to critique it and kind of like go over some things with you. I'm definitely going to be spilling a lot of tea in this video. Y'all know there's some things that we put out there because it's free, but there's some things that we pay for or that we know that we kind of keep to ourselves. I'm dropping all the gems, okay? I'm not holding anything back, okay? Yes, for all my babes who's under every single video saying, hey, I used the glue and I tried your method and I got glue all over my stones. It's cloudy. How can you help me? And I've been holding off and I was going to do a video specifically for that, but I thought about it. You're about to hold a Croc class. Why not share the tea like everybody wants to know in your class? So the only way you'll be able to get the tea, at least for me, you might have your own methods, but the tea for me on how to get the glue off your Crocs so that way you're not wasting your time or your money will be dropped in the Croc class towards the end. So you will be able to go through the class and at the end I will drop the jewels on what I do to get the cloudiness off of my stones and other things that I know other people have used. Okay, so if that's what you've been waiting for, you need to get in this class. Like I said, it's only going to be 40 spots available for this Croc class. This is my first one. I'm pretty sure it's not my last. It's going to be amazing. trust me, you do not want to miss it. So I went over the fact that it's only 40 spots. Class dates will be dropping soon. It will be via Zoom. So if you don't have the Zoom app, you probably want to download it before the class, because once I send you the Zoom link, if you snooze, you lose. There is no refunds. You need to get in the class. You need to be prompt and you need to be ready. It will be a grace period, but I will give y'all more information along the way. This is just the introductory to let y'all know that the class is coming soon and it's about to go down. Okay. Your class will include a full Croc kit. Yes, a full Croc kit. It will have all the things that you need to get your Croc business going. Okay. Whether you're doing it for yourself or to make money, you will be able to complete a pair of Crocs. All right. Even if you don't finish the whole pair in class, you will know all the basics and fundamentals and be able to ask questions with me right then and there in the class. Okay. You cannot beat that. Period. So with the Croc kit, it was shipped 2 weeks prior to the class, so that you will have your full Croc kit before the class even starts. So basically what's going to happen is I'm going to drop the dates. I'm going to put it on my website. Up to 40 people will be able to pay for the Croc class via my website. Once I receive everybody's payment and you do your confirmations, because yes, it will be a confirmation. I don't want anybody taking my class and then going back and say they didn't get it, they wasn't included or anything like that. You will have to verify certain personal information that only you would know. It may be the last 4 digits of your card number or your social. I don't know. But it's going to be something that if any chargebacks try to come on, only you would know that information. Okay? Yes, I'm trying to be cautious because I know a lot of people, that's why they don't do classes anymore, because so many people have been able to take advantage and then go back and say they didn't get it, they didn't get the download. This is not a download, sis. We're going to be here. I'm going to see your face. Okay. So once I get the permission and all things is good, I go ahead on, I send your Croc kit out. Now, the good thing about it being on a website is that you may or you may not be able to do the buy now, pay later. The class will be like $400. That's including your full kit. I get it. Some people can afford it. If you are able to afford it, then jump into classes. Okay. My prices is my price. I know my worth. I know what I'm giving into this class, and I'm not going down on my prices. Okay. If you want free information, just watch all the rest of my YouTube videos, and I give a lot of good free information over here. But if you want me and you want this class, you have to be willing to pay the $400. Now, if the website allows you to, because I do have Sazzle and Affirm on the website, then you may be able to check out using those and do the buy now, pay later. I don't know. You will have to try it yourself. It may work. It may not work. I'm not 100% sure if that works for classes. I know it works for products. A lot of y'all use it for the products. Try it for the classes and let me know once I drop the dates. Okay. If it doesn't work, at least I'm telling you now so you can save your coin, because I haven't even dropped the dates of the class. So this is more than enough time for you to start saving the coins to get in this Croc class. Trust me, it's going down. I promise you, you're going to be happy once you're done. So you'll also, under this video, you can ask me any questions that you may have. Now, I'm not going to give too much information because, like I said, I want to be able to do the class at ease without me feeling like everything that I'm doing before I can even release my date, somebody done took all my information and ran and did the class a week or two before me. So some things I'm not going to be willing to say or answer until the class is posted and paid for. But you can also send me a private DM on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, click the link in the bio, follow me on Goluckycharmz, and then that way you can DM me personal or private questions. But for the video's sake, you can ask me like general questions and I'll definitely answer those as well. But anything specific, go in the DMs. This is my first class and I'm super excited about it. Like I said, all the details will be dropping very, very soon. I'm just putting it out there so no one would say, oh, I didn't know. I just did a live on my Instagram talking about it. I'm going to go live, of course, again, talking about it on my Instagram. I'm here on YouTube spreading the word, and I probably even head on over to Facebook. Tell everybody. I want this to be such a success that it's so good that I actually record a class and be able to use it as a download for you guys. So for whoever can't physically be in a class, they'll be able to get the digital download. I don't know, but this could be something huge because it's not a lot of people actually offering classes, and I'm super excited about mine. And like I said, if you follow me, you already know I give y'all a lot of tea anyway. I'm just giving y'all more of me, more personable of me, and I'm going to be walking you through the steps. I'm going to be dropping some gems, and I'm providing a full kit for you. You can't beat that. So like I said, if you're not already, follow me over at Goluckycharmz, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned because more information will be dropping. Peace.